Chromebooks are known for their speed and ease of use. However, to get more out of your Chromebook, you may need to install Linux. This is Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and let's install Linux on your Chromebook. To install Linux on Chromebook, head to the Wi-Fi battery option and then select Settings. Now scroll down and select About Chrome OS. Scroll down again and then click on Setup in front of Linux Development Environment. Click on Next, select the username. I'll write Candid. Now you will have to select the disk size. The recommended is 10 GB, but if you want a custom disk size, click on Custom and then select whatever size you want. We'll go with recommended. When you are done, click on Install. And here you can see it's showing installing Linux. The process may take a few minutes depending on your Chromebook. Once the installation is complete, you will see Linux on your screen. However, if you don't see it, head to Launcher and then select Terminal. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing out.